Hey y'all, it's Julie the nursing tutor. You want to do some I know? Yeah, I'm pumped too. Here we go. Okay, I hope you can see that. Zoom in maybe. Okay, well, you'll have to trust me. Trust my reading. So, first of all, if you don't know your conversions, you should stop this and learn them. You have to know that 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Okay? You got to know that 1 tablespoon is 15 and 1 teaspoon is 5. And a cup is 240 milliliters. If you don't know nothing else, you got to know those. Put them on cards and flash yourself. Okay, here we go. So, your patient has consumed the following during a 12-hour shift. How many milliliters do they consume? Round it to the nearest whole number. They did 4 ounces of tea. So 4 times 30 is 120. That's the first one, milliliters. They did 4 ounces of juice. Cool. We're going to duplicate that. They had 12 ounces of ginger ale. See, you got to know 30 milliliters because they want your answer in milliliters. 12 times 30 equals 360 mLs. And then they had 6 ounces of gelatin. That's 180 mLs. And they had 420 milliliters of water. So then you have to add it all up. Now, some of y'all will want to double these and jump around. I need to be uniform. I mean, as a nurse, you'll understand you need to go line by line. Make sure you don't miss anything. So 120 plus 120 plus 360, 180 plus 420 is 1,200 milliliters for that day. Look, my dog agrees. We saved them. Okay, look at this one. The patient consumes 6 ounces of coffee. Okay, so just take it a bite at a time. 6 times 30 equals 180. 2 ounces of fruit juice. So 2 times 30 would be 60 milliliters. And that's at breakfast. And then during activities at 10, he consumes a 12-ounce can of root beer. He probably, I don't know, times 30. 360. I never really developed a taste for root beer. Probably couldn't get past the name. But anyway, the patient consumes 6 ounces. 6 times 30, 180. You see how I'm just going? You got to just make peace with taking your time and reading every word on purpose. Additionally, the patient consumes another 12 ounces of water. 12 times 30 is 360. Now, is that all they said? Yes. So then we're going to get our calculator and we're going to add it up. 180 plus 60 plus 360 plus 180 plus 360 is 1140. Okay, look. Boom. Sure enough did save another one. I'm telling you, simply how we roll. That's what I know. Okay, so the next one, look, he drank all this stuff. How much was it? All right, here we go. 8 ounces of flavored chicken. 8 times 30 equals 240. And then 2 ounces of gelatin. 2 times 30 equals 60. 2 120 milliliter popsicles. So, you know, well, do it on your calculator. 240 for built-in popsicles. 5 ounces of milk. I know some of y'all could do this in your head, but some people can't, and that's who I'm doing this for. And then 240 milliliters. And then we're adding it all up. 240 plus 60 plus 240 plus 150 plus 240 equals 930. Boom. You see that? Be prepared for them to say they drank half of a 12-ounce can. Well, I don't know why I'm pointing at that. Like half of a 12-ounce can, and so you got to know half of 12.6. Yada. You get me. You picking it up, what I'm putting down? Okay, here we go. Homer's on a liquid diet too. And so we got to add it all up. And I'm 8 times 30. They must have gave everybody that chicken flavored broth. 240. And then 4 times 30 on the gelatin, 120. And he ate 3 of those. 120 times 3 equals 360. And then 4 ounces, 120. And then 240 milliliters of soda. So here we go. 240 plus 120 plus 360 plus 120 plus 240 equals 1080. Look at there. Boongy, boongy, boongy. Did it again. Good night, we did it again. Okay. And then we got another person here. And they did 240 milliliters of fruit juice. They had 4 ounces times 30. That's 120. And then they ate 2 popsicles, and each of them was 120, so that's 240. And they drank 8 ounces of tea. 8 times 30 is 240. Boy, we 240 rich, ain't we? And then they consumed 16 ounces of water. 16 times 30. Seemed like it'd be more than 480, don't it? It's not. Okay, and then we're going to add it all up. 240 plus 120 plus 240 plus 240 plus 480 equals 1320. 1320. Boom. Yeah. We just did it again. All right. Come on. Y'all pray for this iPad. It's so old. It won't even update. Follow me on YouTube. Okay? Because we don't know. It's getting ticky in the talk world. And there's my Facebook. All the YouTube videos, the TikTok videos are on YouTube as well. And YouTube is linked to my Facebook. And so you can click a video and then subscribe. Please subscribe. Share it. Y'all probably done already cut off. But for those of you who stayed, that are true nursing tutorites, thank you. Please share. Have a good evening.